Health. You knew that was coming, didn't you? Exercise has numerous benefits, including improving heart health to reduce the risk of heart disease, and mental health by reducing anxiety and depression by improving self-esteem and cognitive function. THAMR. Are you ready for a life-changing journey? Introducing our ultimate fitness program that will revolutionize the way you approach exercise. Say goodbye to fatigue, stress, and poor heart health, and hello to a new and improved you. Our program is designed to boost your cardiovascular health and help reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Experience the incredible mental benefits as your anxiety and depression fade away, making room for increased self-esteem and cognitive function. Join us now and unlock the door to the best version of yourself. Transform your body and mind with our all-inclusive fitness program and embrace a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Together, let's make it happen.